It was the third challenge and the third time the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled in favor of Obamacare, a milestone that the law's namesake, former President Barack Obama, greeted by tweeting, "The Affordable Care Act is here to stay." The moment comes 11 years after Obama, backed by then Vice President Joe Biden, signed the Affordable Care Act into law.
Today, after all the votes have been tallied, health insurance reform becomes law in the United States of America.
But marred by a flawed rollout and relentless attacks from conservatives, the law, derisively nicknamed Obamacare by Republicans, soon became a cultural flashpoint. Donald Trump's rise to the White House in 2016 was partly fueled by the country's divisions surrounding Obamacare. But even as Republicans campaigned against the health care law, Americans began signing up in droves, reaching 31 million enrollees amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think having a pandemic like COVID meant that you had an economic downturn at the same time that you had a large health catastrophe. And the proof is in the pudding, right? In that the people losing their jobs, facing decreases in their salary, but also needing health care, were able to get the care they needed through insurance coverage. And I think that's a positive.
Justice Stephen Breyer, a liberal, wrote the Supreme Court's majority opinion released Thursday. Chief Justice John Roberts and 3 conservatives, including 2 Trump appointees, sided with the liberals, delivering the 7-2 ruling that Texas lacks standing to bring the suit. President Joe Biden called it a big win for the American people. The Supreme Court did not decide broader legal issues raised by the case about whether the Affordable Care Act remains constitutional after Congress struck down a key provision of the law in 2012. That means while the justices preserved health care once again for millions of Americans, they did not rule out hearing future challenges to Obamacare. Heidi Zhou-Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.